Ever seen giants in action? Danger lurks, suspense climbs, this video captures it all. Fasten your seatbelts. An unforgettable, adrenaline-pumping ride into the jaw-dropping, raw power of automatic firewood processors awaits. Get ready to be amazed, let's dive in. The Multitek 2040 Firewood Processor is a powerhouse designed for unmatched efficiency, capable of processing an impressive 7 cords of firewood per hour. Built for both speed and precision, this machine features a robust hydraulic system, a high-capacity circular saw, and automated splitting technology, making it a game-changer for firewood production. Whether you're a professional logger or a firewood business owner, the Multitek 2040 delivers unmatched productivity, durability, and reliability, transforming raw logs into perfectly split firewood in record time. The Halverson HWP-140 Firewood Processor is a compact yet powerful machine designed for efficient firewood production. With its hydraulic log lift, 24-inch circular saw, and dual splitting wedges, it effortlessly processes logs up to 18 inches in diameter. Ideal for small to medium-scale operations, the HWP-140 combines durability, ease of use, and consistent performance, delivering up to 2 cords of firewood per hour. Its rugged construction and user-friendly features make it a reliable choice for anyone looking to streamline their firewood processing tasks. The MEBOR SLH-1200 log debarker is a high-performance machine designed to strip bark from logs with precision and efficiency. Built for heavy-duty use, it handles logs up to 1,000 to 100 millimeters in diameter, making it ideal for large-scale operations. Equipped with advanced hydraulic feed rollers and durable debarking tools, the SLH-1200 ensures smooth, consistent results while minimizing wood damage. Whether you're processing timber for lumber, firewood, or pulp, this robust debarker delivers unmatched productivity and reliability, streamlining your workflow and reducing manual labor.
This is a big one.
Witness the raw power and precision of the most massive and dangerous tree felling operations. These jaw-dropping feats involve towering giants, heavy machinery, and skilled operators working in harmony to bring down colossal trees with surgical accuracy. From chainsaws to hydraulic felling heads, every move is calculated to ensure safety and efficiency. But danger is never far away. Falling limbs, shifting weights, and unpredictable terrain keep the stakes high. This is tree felling at its most extreme, where human expertise meets mechanical might to conquer nature's giants. Even the pros can have bad days. From miscalculated cuts to unexpected tree swings, these arborist fails remind us that working with nature is never predictable. Watch as experienced climbers and loggers face surprising challenges, some funny, some downright dangerous. Remember, safety first. And there you have it, the fastest automatic firewood processor on the market. Incredible speed, unmatched precision, and effortless operation. If you're looking to level up your firewood production, this machine is a game changer. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more cutting-edge forestry technology.